Hello, my name is Tom and I am 8 years old. And guess what? It's almost the Mid-Autumn Festival, a special day. And I usually support factory-made mooncakes, but I'm trying to support handmade. Here's why. The first thing is when we make the cakes ourselves, we will be sure about the quality and the ingredients. When we buy at the store where factory made, we are not so sure about the quality and ingredients. Second is we can be creative, but don't break the traditional. First, we can be creative is we can make all sorts of shapes and all sorts of the inside. And we can make all sorts of colors too. This year I am going to make a mooncake with the shape of a bear and the shape of a bear, and in the inside will be the salted egg yolk, and it will be the color of green. Second is we can have fun while we make it. Like we can throw the dough on the air and it will land on your face or your hand. Sometimes it will land in your face and it is very funny. And we can mix dough with our hands like this and we turn like we are mixing a liquid. Second is my ingredients are easy to get because they are, short way. And when we buy at the store, we need to go to the next town. And we can spend time. And fourth, it is 5. Yeah, 5. We can spend more time with our family, because my family is very busy and we don't have much time together. But it is the Mid-Autumn Festival. We can relax and spend time together. And the last thing is we can learn all sorts of cool things. Like we can make it very big, and the dough can be green or anything color, and breaking the egg will sound if we do it the funny way. And the dough can be some things like matter. If you were me, what would you choose for the decision? I know you will choose a great decision of yourself if you share it to me. What would you choose? Handmade or factory made? And thank you for listening. Bye bye.